hope everyone is doing great today. I decided that I will, I don't know, offer some basic crochet tutorials, very basic, and just to help you guys understand what's going on while I am busy making these items. And hopefully, some of you will find this tutorial helpful if you want to start crocheting. I've obviously had some of you ask me to teach them how to crochet, so here we go. What you will need is a crochet hook. You can just buy a pack. That's what I advise. I recommend you buy a pack of crochet hooks that are different sizes, starting from small to biggest, so the biggest one, right? And then you will have to buy some wool. Let me just pick. Okay, let me just. Yeah, you have to buy some wool. There are bigger wools that weigh 100 gram, and then there are smaller wools that weigh 25 gram. When you go to the store, the wool will be covered in a paper like this. That's where you will read what's going on with your wool. That's where you understand what is going on with your wool, right? But I don't want to get into that today. Today we're just learning the basics, which is how to hold a crochet hook and a piece of yarn, or some yarn on the other hand. Okay, so let's get to that. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to hold your crochet hook. There are three different ways to hold a crochet hook. The first one that I use, I'm gonna show you the one I use first, which is called the knife grip. See, I'm holding it like a knife. Chop, chop, chop. And then there's just the grip. Some people hold their crochet hooks like this, just a grip. And then some people hold their crochet hook like they are holding a pen or a pencil. Sorry. Some people hold their crochet hooks like they're holding a pen or a pencil. These are three ways in which you can hold your crochet hook. But if you are creative, you can hold your crochet hook in your own original way and style. And maybe in the future, you can show us the way I'm showing you guys how I hold mine, like a knife. So there's the knife grip, how you hold a knife. There's just a grip in general, which I find very hard. And then there's the pencil grip. This is how some people hold their crochet hooks. I knew someone very special to me who used to hold their crochet hook like this. Now, let's move to how you hold your yarn. To make this easier for me to show you guys how to hold your yarn, I am going to create something we call a slip knot. So as you can see, I'm holding my crochet hook like a knife. I'm just gonna do that so that it's easier for me to explain the next step. Okay. You want to put the wool between your index finger and your middle finger like this, and then follow it up with the finger that is closer to the pinky, this one. Get the wool in between that finger and the pinky, like this, right? So the wool wraps around the middle finger and the finger that is closer to the pinky, and it is in between the the index finger and the middle finger, and also in between the finger that is closer to the pinky and the pinky. Guys, I don't know what this finger is called. Please forgive me. And then you're gonna wrap it around the back of your index finger and hold the, what do I call this? The loose end in between your thumbnail and the middle finger, like this. And then here, this is where you control your tension, right? See, now there's no tension control. But if I rise up my index finger like this, you can see the tension here, right? That is where you control the tension. But I hope that's also part of this tutorial. I hope I'm not getting out of context. But yeah, that's what's up. Okay, to do that again, the yarn goes in between your index finger and your middle finger like this, and then you wrap it around your middle finger and the finger next to the pinky, and then it goes in between the pinky and the finger next to it, like this. Then you wrap it at the back of your index finger, hold the loose end in between your thumb and your middle finger, like this. Your index finger, you use it to control the tension, you use it to control the tension of your yarn. Okay, I hope this tutorial was useful. If not, please guys let me know which part of this tutorial you'd like me to explain in depth. That's a zunzuts. I will see you on the next lesson. Hi everyone. Hey guys. Hi. Hey y'all. Hey. Hi. Hey guys. I hope. Hi. Hey. 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 I hope you guys are doing great today. Hey guys.